Hey everybody, I just wanted to invite you to the Village's German Car Show on October 16th, 2021. You can pick the amount you want to donate for your ticket, but it's basically a free event. The ticket donations go to Dollars for Scholars, which is a local charity benefiting kids who want to go to college or trade school from that area. So this show is going to be all European cars, and it's going to be at 6538. Let's see here. Sorry, I forgot. Lake Griffin Road, Lady Lake, Florida. At the there's actually a country club there, and we're going to have the information in the description below anyway. But I'm coming in on October 15th, which is a Friday. If anybody wants to hang out with me and Elaine and Madeline, you know, and as long as you don't make us work on your car, it's my birthday week, so I'm kind of want to relax and have a great weekend. But we're going to be in the area, so if you're coming in early, please let us know in the comments below, I guess. But anyway, we hope to see you there. It's from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Bring your, and if you want to register for the event, by the way, contact me ASAP. I think it's full, but I'm not 100% sure. All right, we hope to see you guys there, and